Okay, everybody, welcome back. This is CACMA Nikunj Dholakia. Friends, today we are going to discuss a very small topic, a very small concept, but a very important concept. Sometimes the student does not know this concept and he is not able to solve the problem. Okay, so let's start what I'm talking about. How to find out the cost of an asset. Cost कैसे find out करे? Using some reverse or backward technique. I will explain you with the help of an illustration. Please see to the end till the end, okay? The balance of the machine on 1st April 2019 is 1,55,648 rupees. It is given in the question. Balance of the machine on 1st April 2019 is some 155,648. The organization has been charging depreciation 20%, reducing, diminishing balance, or written down. All three are one and the same. So they are charging depreciation at 20% reducing balance method. Okay, this is the method which they have adopted so far, 20% reducing balance. The machine was purchased on 1st April 15. Oh, so the balance given is as on 1st April 19. The machine was purchased on 1st April 15. Find out the cost of the machine. Balance इतना है 1st April 19 को, 20% चार्ज किया है reducing. Find out the cost of the machine as on 1st April 15. जब भी खरीदा था, what is the cost of the machine? Sir, but why the organization requires the cost? If they are following reducing balance, why is the cost required, sir? Arey Baba, they want to change the method. Let us say organization now wants to change the original cost method, तो उसको cost मांगता है machine का. Okay? So 15 में जब भी खरीदा cost क्या था? 1st April 19 को कितना था? 155,648. Okay, now see here. So why you require the cost? You require the cost because now they want to change the method. Acha, they have been following 20% reducing balance method. The machine was purchased on 1st April 2015. 15 में purchase किया, तब cost क्या था? Let us suppose the cost was 100 rupees. 1st April 15 को, फिर depreciation of 15/16 at the rate of 20% reducing balance. So 100 rupees का 20% is 20 rupees. Depre for 15/16. So 20 rupees कम हो गया. This has become the value on 1st April 16. This is as on 1st April 15. 1st April 15 is the cost, the date of purchase. 100 rupees में खरीदा, तो 20% के हिसाब से April 16 it has become 80 rupees. Again 12 months यूज करो. इसका 20% लेने का, बिकॉज रिड्यूसिंग बैलेंस मेथड है, इसका 20% लेने का. सो 80 रुपीज का 20% इज 16. 80 minus 16 comes to 64. This is 1st April 15, 1st April 16, 1st April 17. अभी इसका 20% लो. I hope you know it that in reducing balance method you have to take on this. हाँ, तो 64 का 20% लोगे तो 12.8 आएगा. इसका 20%. Okay, so that will give you 51.2 now. 100 रुपये की चीज 20% कम होके 51 रुपीज 20 पैसे की हो गई. 51 रुपीज 20 पैसे की एज ऑन 1st April 18. और 20% लो इसके ऊपर, और 20% लो इसके ऊपर. सो 51.20 इंटू 20% अगर हम करेंगे तो 10.24 आएगा. यस, 10.24. अभी आ गया 1st April 19. हाउ मच इज इट? 40.96. Guys, what was 100 rupees after 20% depreciation on reducing balance on 1st April 19? It has become 40.96. This was all suppose. Now actual value on 1st April 19 is given to us ना. देखो 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 1st April 19 का बैलेंस 155,648. 155,648. ये मैं अप्रैल 19 के सामने लिख रहा हूं. दिस इज द एक्चुअल फिगर। तो ये कॉस्ट कितना होगा अगर 100 की चीज 40.96 हो गई, और यू कैन से आज जो 40.96 का था वो पहले 100 का था, तो आज जो 155,648 का था वो कितने का, फिर आपको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने का। ओके, सो यू विल गेट x इज इक्वल टू कॉस्ट इज इक्वल टू क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने का upon 40.96, you will get it at how much? Let's check it. 155, how much was it? 155,648. Yeah, correct. 155,648. Yeah, 3,80,000. अप्रैल 19 में जो 155,648 का बैलेंस बता रहा है आफ्टर 20% रिड्यूसिंग बैलेंस मेथड was originally costing 3,80,000. Now if you want to change the method to 20% straight line, you can take 3,80,000 का 20%. अभी अपने को कॉस्ट मिल गया, अगर आपको कॉस्ट मेथड भी लेना है तो अभी आपको कॉस्ट मिल गया. It is a very small concept, friends, very small concept, but sometimes student gets stuck in this. Please subscribe my channel for more and more such videos. That's all in this session.